Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Today's look is a party look with glitter eyeshadow and red lipstick, if you couldn't tell. To me, partying is just reading a book in a different location, but doesn't mean your makeup can't look great. So let's get started. Eyeshadow primer from Mott. Then, taking a taupe shade, this one is from Urban Decay and Freestyle, put that all over the eye. Now that we have a nice neutral base, let's add some contour. Taking a dark brown eyeshadow, this one is Backdoor by Urban Decay, put that through the crease. Soften that up a little bit with a blending brush. Then taking a slightly softer brown, this one's in Barlust from Urban Decay, put that through the crease as well. We're going to do a glitter shade from, this one's Glitter Bomb from Too Faced, but first we're going to put a darker eyeshadow all over the lid. Then put this blue glitter, the shade Splash, all over the lid. So then we'll take some gel liner, this one's from Maybelline, and run that along the top lash line. I need my eyeliner to last all day, so I'm going to go over it with a matte black eyeshadow. This one's Blackout from Urban Decay. Now to use my trusty pencil liner from Sally Beauty that I have sharpened down to nothing due to so much use. and run that along the lower waterline. Then taking a lighter glitter shade, this one's called Fairy Dust, run that along the lower lash line. Then, using a volumizing mascara, this one is from another brand that I cannot pronounce, but it's awesome. Pop that on the top and bottom lashes. And of course, with any glitter look, there's a bit of fallout. It's really not that bad or that hard to clean up. So usually I just take a clean brush, fluffy brush, and then sweep off any of the loose pieces of glitter or eyeshadow. And then, with whatever is left still stuck on there, take a concealer. This one is from Maybelline, and use it to clean up any stuck on glitter. Now we're going to take a contour shade. This is from NYX Contour Palette, and run that under the cheekbone. Then take a pearly highlighter shade. This one is from that other awesome brand I cannot pronounce, and put that on the top of the cheekbones. Next up, use a rosy blush. This one is from Lottie London. Next, take a red lipstick. This one is NYX Liquid Suede. It's a really nice liquid lipstick. And I like to set everything with Maxstudio Fix foundation. And there we have our finished party look. And just set your look with one of these setting sprays. Or the next one's really great too, a little bit more affordable. And you are good to go. And there we go. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this look. If you did, subscribe, check out the blog. It's probably the last video I'm gonna get done this year, so I will see you in 2019. There's much more to come, so stay tuned. Have a great night. Bye.